Okay, so I'm audible to everyone. So we were like on topic decisions. So what decisions and what role does it plays in our life? Okay, so basically whatever we are today, our health, our relationship, whatever it is, it's just because decisions that we took before. Okay, if you think you are successful today, so it's just because the best decision you took at that time. Okay, now coming to present time, if you guys are worried that what will be my future, what will I do later on, so it completely depends upon decision which you guys are taking today. It plays a large important role. Everything depends upon decision. Okay, so I'm here to show my story, to share my story with you guys, and also this platform, because few time before I took a perfect and a very damn perfect decision, and I choose this platform. I'm working on this platform, and so like even I want to share with you all that why should you people join our business, and how like you can commit success. Okay, so in this current situation, that is COVID-19, a lot of people are suffering. Many have lost their jobs, like lost in like even businessmen have suffered a lot of loss. But see, we have not suffered any loss. Okay, so we are earning quite a great income, and like today, people are uncertain about their future. I don't think we will get any jobs and such on, seeing to this current situation. And suppose if you are getting a job also, so I don't think that it will be safe and that secured. Okay, so I want to tell you about an opportunity that I believe in. Okay, an opportunity that I have seen work for millions of people around the world. And I'll be honest, it might not be right for you. It's not for everybody. Okay, but if you give me a few minutes of your time, I think you will understand why I feel so passionate about it. Okay, but before that, I would like to ask you one question, that are you happy? Like, are you smiling as much as you should be today? I don't mean that, listen to me. I like, are you happy or satisfied with your life? Okay, do you feel, you ask yourself, you answer yourself about this. Okay, so see, we have an expression and it's going something like, if it does not make you smile, change it. Okay, what I mean to say is, if you're doing some work which you can't smile, you can't feel nice doing that work, so leave that work, change it, do something else. I'm working at a company which makes people smile, and that company name is Forever Living Products. Okay, so what is Forever Product? We will just see. We'll go through slides and I'll explain you. So next we have Forever Living Products. Okay, so Forever Living Products was founded by entrepreneur Mr. Rex Morgan. You can see his photo, and what motivated him may surprise you. It wasn't money. In fact, he had a very successful career in real estate industry before starting Forever. Rex realized that he wanted to make a change and decided to do something about it and help others, like you and me. Okay, so can you imagine having the courage to leave a promising career for an like untested idea? You can just imagine how might he have done this. So I want to tell you something, that Forever isn't a get rich quick scheme. What we do is we provide you an opportunity for everyone, regardless of their circumstances, to build a better life and feel empowered to be in this business for themselves. Okay, so it is truly a best platform for everyone. Next I would like to show you whatever our turnover is. Okay, so this was started in 1978 by Rex Morgan, and we are working about in 158 countries. We had a turnover of rupees 18 600 crores. You can just imagine like how we are working. You can just imagine from this. Next we have some ways of our business. Like there are two types. First is self-employed and the second one is bigger professional business. Like see, self-employed includes doctors. You just tell me, if doctors does not visit his hospital, will he be able to earn? Will he get his income? Of course no, he won't get. Okay, but we are entrepreneurs. You understand what is entrepreneur? So I would like to tell you what is entrepreneur is. He is independent himself and he provides business opportunity to someone else to earn income. Okay, so like even a milkman can be an entrepreneur. Like even Sushant Singh Rajput was entrepreneur. Okay, so like this is entrepreneur. Next we will see. See, what your like in Forever is aloe vera gel. Okay, a pure stabilized aloe vera is the heart of our entire product line, spanning all major health and beauty categories. This includes our products includes weight management, vitamins and supplements, skin care, personal care, cosmetics and essential oils. You know, everyone wants to look beautiful, better feel, and like how can we feel better is by sharing our products, sharing our Forever business owner. People just like you are able to build. Okay, so we what we have to do is just we have to share these products, share our platform. This is just like helping each other to grow up, to build up, to build our own empire. Okay, so that's how our business work, by rewarding you like for sharing your enthusiasm about the things you love. What else does our business do is we think Forever marketing is the best. I'll show you an live example. First I would like to search on Google that first I would like to search is what is 21st century business. Let's Google it and you can see it. What is 21st century business? 21st century business. Okay, so here we have searched for 21st century business and let's see what we are getting. Even you guys can Google it later on. So here it is telling that the 21st century business will be network marketing. Okay, what it is showing here, you can see is network marketing is going to come in next time. Okay, and let's see, once Bill Gates was asked that if everything is taken from you, so what would you do to start again? So he tells that I'll do network marketing, so I'll earn. Okay, see, here we have Missile Man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is telling that network marketing is fastest growing business of 21st century, which must be joined by every young man and woman globally. Otherwise, you can never get the best of your youth age. So here only it is proof that what level is of network marketing in coming times. Okay, you can understand it from here. And we will see also about Bill Gates. What Bill Gates tells when he was asked that if everything is taken from him, so what will he do? How will he start? So, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose the network marketing. See, here again, it is proof what is the level of network marketing and how deep it is. Okay, so I think you guys might have understood the network marketing, how vast it is and how it is. Okay, now see, now next I would like also to show you like how we are paid, how we get through our hard work, what we are rewarded. So even I would like to show you about that. So forever rewards you for your hard work. As you build your business in forever, you get familiar with all these incentives such as forever to drive program, which can help you earn money for brand new car. See, yesterday only our senior has achieved a brand new car. It is just in front of you. I think there is some problem in playing video. I'll show it to you later about how we are achieving car plans. Okay, we even have a generous chairman bonus program that gives you access to tens of millions of rupees in annual rewards. Okay, this opportunity is everywhere. Like we are working in about 158 countries, as I told you. Like in the whole globe, we have covered. Our team is working everywhere. The opportunity this opportunity can be as big as your dreams and as rewarding as you are willing to work for. Okay, when you start your business with forever, you are in business for yourself but not by yourself. Okay, a company leaders and successful business owners are always able to provide support, training and encouragement to you peoples. So here we have some of our leaders who will share their experience with you. So first we have Ravali ma'am. So yes ma'am, please can you put your audio and video?
Hi, Mariam ma'am. Thank you first of all for giving this opportunity to share my experience. Is my audio all audible to you, ma'am?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I can't on my video. Okay, and okay, I think can I know the persons? Where are you from? Can you tell the persons who are coming to this webinar from the which states they are?
Ma'am,
Below we are
Andhra
having a
Pradesh,
chat option.
Tamil Nadu
Okay,
and
everyone.
Telangana.
Okay, okay. Okay, even I'm from the Andhra Pradesh neighbor state, that is from Telangana, and I'm from Hyderabad. Since from 3 months I am doing this online business, and I am personally FLP owner, business owner. And same like you, I came from the Instagram. Okay, because I was also searching for the opportunity where I can fulfill my dreams. So I thought FLP was a best business platform for me, where I can fulfill my dreams in a very short time. Okay, now I can give you some important points that you have to made in your life. That is, you should have a correct platform in a engage. Okay, means you should have a everyone will say study, get a job, and get a marry. Okay, this is the things said by our parents, said by our teachers, but no one in the world said but how to make a $1 billion business. Okay, till now nobody said you how to make a money. Till now nobody guide you how to become successful in engage. Okay, till now nobody said you how to achieve success in your life. Okay, but through this platform, through this business, and through this wonderful platform, I have got everything in my life, that I have learned how to do business in engage. And I have got so many mentors. Okay, mentor in the sense, he will guide you, he will support you, he will help you. Okay, how to become successful in your life. Okay, and second one is having a correct mentor in your life. Okay, and third one is correct mindset. Okay, when you're having a correct mindset, means what you're thinking of your life. Okay, means everyone are having around here is of 20 years or 21 years. That's it. Okay, means everyone should be get successful at the age of 25. Okay, means within these years, okay, within the gap, how you are feeling your life. Okay, later on, there is only one thing: struggle now, enjoy later. Now, or not enjoy now, struggle later. Okay, you have two options. Okay, what you will choose, everyone will choose that: struggle now, enjoy later. Okay, now this is the age to work, this is the age to build something big in your life. Okay, that is your mindset. Okay, what the income you are expecting per month, what your gifts you have to provide to your parents, everything that depends upon your mindset. Okay, and last one is uh, uh, right platform. I have said right mindset, right mentor, and right skills. Okay, without skills you won't achieve anything in your life. Okay, means skills is very different than the knowledge. Okay, education system is very different from the knowledge. Okay, here you will get skills how to make money online. Okay, everything will be teach by us. Okay, everything will be guide for us. Okay, just initially you have to understand the platform, you have to understand the what the future will be. Okay, I can tell you now that future will be only the network marketing. There is no other industry who will make you a millionaire. Okay, I think so many people have a dream that I want to become a millionaire, but they don't know how to become a millionaire. No one will teach. But in this platform, with the FLP support, you will become a millionaire with support of Mariam ma'am and remaining mentors. Okay, this is the thing. And I would like to share more things, but this is your first day. I can share only few things. And I think the concept was understood by you. And tomorrow even Mariam ma'am was taking, and me will take recording every each and webinars. Okay, to these webinars only you will understand everything. Okay, there is, and one more thing I want to say is, it is a you can use this by your phone, by your laptop, and good internet connection. You can do this business with the help of these tricks. Okay, if you are use these tricks, then you can build a $1 million business. Okay, okay, Mariam ma'am. Hello.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing with us your views. Okay,
Thank
next I
Yeah,
would
thank you,
like to
ma'am.
invite Hemant sir. We have Hemant sir from Haryana. So I would like to invite sir to share with us his experience with us.
So, good evening, everyone. This side Hemant Kumar, a young entrepreneur, and started earning from this platform from last 2 months I have joined this platform, and once you will enter to this platform, you will come to know about the power of this platform. From where to where you can travel through this platform. You can see journey of a lot of others who have earlier joined this opportunity, who has grabbed this opportunity earlier. So, in short, I want to say that you are lucky if you are here, and stay in touch with your uplines and seniors. They will guide you time to time, and step by step how to earn, how you can earn from a smartphone, from your home. All I want to say is congratulations to you for grabbing this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you for sharing your experience. We have one more leader from Maharashtra, that is Rishil sir from Maharashtra. Yes, Rishil, can you share your experience with us?
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
So, hey guys, this is Vishal Suratwala from Maharashtra. As you know, guys, we are getting. So, excuse me, ma'am. There's a lot of disturbance in the background.
Okay, till then, we'll take Pawan Mali sir from Maharashtra.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Hello. Yes, yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. Hi, guys. Good evening. So this side Pawan Mari. I am from Maharashtra, Sangli district. So I have came here on this platform before 2 to 3 months, and it's a great platform. I have found till I'm my young age, and I'm only 20 years old, and I thought it is a great platform. I have got the great mentor Mariam ma'am, Ankush sir, Hemant sir, and also Manik sir. Of course, he is 19 years old and he is earning a huge income in his young age, at the 19 age. And this is a great platform I have found in my life. So, if you want to achieve anything in your life and you don't want to depend on your family or on anyone, then network marketing is the best platform in the 21st century to achieve your dreams, to create your build your own business empire. So network marketing, this is the great platform, and Mariam ma'am have told you that the great leader Bill Gates or Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam have also told that this is the best opportunity in this 21st century. Okay, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
thank you, sir, for sharing your views with us. Next, we have Harish sir from Karnataka. We have two personalities, Harish sir and Hitesh sir. Sir, would you both come together and just tell us about your experience?
Hello, ma'am. Hello, guys. Yeah.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Yes, sir, good evening.
How are you, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir, great. Sir, please can you share your experience with us?
Okay, so hi everyone. I'm Hitesh from Bangalore, Karnataka. Like past 2 weeks, I'm on this platform. I met Ankush sir on Instagram, like you have lots of stuff to learn here. Hello,
Yes, yes, sir, you're audible.
ma'am. 1 second, ma'am. I'll turn off the video. Like, hello.
Yes, yes, sir, you're audible. Okay, we will just see with the car plan video, which I was going to show you before. We will just see to it.
Ma'am, can I speak, ma'am? Hello. Hello.
Guys, this is our achievement. Yesterday, only great leader had achieved this. So guys, now it's your time to decide. Don't think that will forever work. You have to you have to think in your mind that will I work for forever. Okay, you have to think that, and believe me, like it is just the best opportunity you can get in this situation. And come and let's join us, and we are every time ready to help you out. We are there for you. Okay, so here I would like to stop our webinar. Those who are